In this video, the blade is rough forged. It has been annealed or buried in hardwood ashes to soften by cooling slowly. And now we're coming into the gun shop to finish it. So in this video, we will be laying out the profile of the blade, which is just establishing crisp, clean lines all the way around the exterior of the blade. And then we will be filing the entire exterior of the blade down to shape. So this is to almost the finished shape. And we'll also go ahead and drill out the holes for mounting the handle. So this is laying out everything to establish our knife on in this video. Hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching Elk Knife series. So when I started filing just now, I noticed it has a few hard spots. So I've got to heat it up with my torches to normalize or anneal it again to get those hard spots out. So I'm going to switch to that now. So these are the pins that I'll be using. They're 5/64 steel finishing nails. And this will be our lanyard hole. This is 1/4 inch copper tubing. So I'm gonna go ahead and clamp the knife. Nicely done. Get the knife clamped up in this little vise here, so I can lay out where all of our holes will be. So for the steel pins, just want to come in about 3/16 of an inch on the top and bottom of the handle. Let me give myself a reference line there. And then I'll come in a little deeper at the butt for that lanyard to make sure it has plenty of steel behind the copper. there's all of our holes drilled. So next I'll go to a bigger size drill bit for my copper tube to fit through this hole in the center of the butt. So all of our holes are drilled. Let's clean it up and get some wood drilled.